Hey guys, thought I'd bring you along on a weekend of meals that we cook while we're camping. We're at Long Lake here in Alberta. I think you guys can maybe kind of see the lake at the back. But yeah, I'll bring you along and show you some of the meals that me and my folks cook when we camp together.
One more knife available.
Over there, I think. Please.
Oh.
May I have a paper towel, please? Thanks. I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to hear me, but I guess we're seeing how well the tent is waterproof. Is this gonna fit in this pan? What it's like cooking in the rain. We're gonna like But don't we use the... Oh no, we don't use the pot, do we? Okay. Focus. Now we need to bring this to a boil. Actually, I have to add the sauce. Okay, not switch pans. Because this wasn't gonna work. That's totally hot.
That's what happens when you double the Hamburger Helper recipe. Might have to freeze some of this sucker when we get home.
Dad will be eating leftovers in the next like 3 months. Why did you let Amber cook all of this? So there was a miscommunication on my part, and I might have cooked both of them, and I was only supposed to cook one of them. So we have a lot of Hamburger Helper now. So those are boils, but these little ones are when the rain is hitting the pan. Oh gosh. I want you to go buy some 2x6s anyway, over there somewhere, but on these other spots it's just right on the edge. Just at the table. Yeah. Hold on, it's blurry.